The open house was a really great way for clubs on our campus to showcase what high school life is like, especially for incoming freshmen or middle schoolers that are coming to Highland in the coming years.
And it was a great way for Highland to come together to showcase something so extraordinary about our school.
Go Bulldogs!